Hello everyone, welcome to Winglets Learning Club. Today we are going to learn about verbs. Verbs are action words that tell us what people, animals or things do. Let's jump right in and have some fun learning together. Any action word tell us what a people, animal or object is doing. If you can do it with your body or your mind, it's a verb. Verb make our sentences exciting and full of action. Some examples are jump, clap, sing and smile. Can you say these words with me? Jump, clap, sing, smile. Well done. Let's play a quick game of Simon Says. Come on. Simon says jump. Yay. Simon says clap your hands 3 times. Simon says spin around once. Great job! All of these are verbs because they show actions. Do you know we use verbs every day, even at school? We read books and learn new things. We write words with our pencils. We draw beautiful pictures with crayons. Read, write and draw. All are action words, so they are verbs. Can you tell me any other action word that you do in school? Similarly, we also use verbs when we play. We kick a soccer ball, we run across the playground, and we cheer with our friends. Hooray! Kick, run, and cheer are all verbs because they tell us what we are doing. Did you ever notice that just like human beings, animals in motion are also verbs? Just like birds fly through the white clouds, fish swim in the cool blue lake, frog jumps onto green lily pads, and dog barks at a playful squirrels. So can you identify where were the verbs in these sentences? So come on little friends, let's find the verb in each sentence. The puppy barks happily at the door. Can you identify the verb? Leo eats a sweet apple. Where is the verb in this sentence? We sing a silly song together. Emma sleeps in her warm bed. Excellent! You found all the verbs. So let's try the example of eat. Leo eats a yummy red apple. The word eats is the action verb because it is something Leo can do. Eating yummy food gives us the energy to do other actions like learning and playing. So let's remember our magic verb rule. If you can do it with your body, your hands and your mind, then it's a verb. Now you know what verbs are and how to find them in sentences. Thank you for learning with Winglets Learning Club. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye. And remember to subscribe and follow for more fun and learning content. See you. Bye.